Hi, it's Mike from CustomCruisers.com. Okay, not all gasket kits are even the James, you know, your Chematics, etc. This particular kit is very unusual in this. It says complete motor, and it is. You even get your compliance fittings for this shovel. You get all your cam change kits. You get your crank seal, your cam gaskets and seals. You also get Viton. Now, these are way superior. You've got cork Viton. You've got lots of options. You've got all the different exhaust seals for different years as well. So this actually covers early and late style valve stem seals. Okay, this particular gasket kit is very good. It does 70 right up to 84. Okay, comes complete again, Viton, and these are like an MLS. They've got metal in as well. Okay, all your seals that you will ever need to do your bike. Very, very good quality. Ultima, very good. As you know, they make shovel motors. They make big bore 140s and 127s. But if you're interested, give us a call. We've also got all the seal kits for your Evos. Okay, all this kind of gear, you know, for your Evos, twin cams. And all this stuff is now in stock. And having used these kits, never had any problems with them because they are the MLS type, you know, multi-layer head gaskets, as opposed to the usual basically just compressed cardboard with a bit of metal chucked in them. Okay, but the Viton really is a massive step up from a normal seal. These things take the heat. You got the cork if you want to use them as well, obviously, but as you can see, this really is even exhaust gaskets in this kit. So if you're interested, this particular one is an Ultima 77874. Give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.